Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a keyboard shortcut to your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up our mouse settings. Here we're gonna go to key assignments, and as you guys can see, I got a lot of assignments made, so I'll just quickly delete them so that we have some way to manage. We're gonna click on a plus button, and here we have something called a keystroke. Now as you guys can see, we can select a button and we can add a sniper button for an example. Now we make our combination and it will be Windows plus R for an example. Now as you guys can see, whenever I press the sniper button, here I have my second hand, it should open up the run. So that's how you guys can basically create some shortcuts. Of course, you can use a shortcut instead of the you can do the Ctrl+Shift+Escape and it will be your task manager. So let's go over, press the button. As you guys can see, it opens it up, so now we know that everything works. So that's how you guys can create your shortcuts, key combinations, and etc. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.